Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.